Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Omer and here I teach you how to create very powerful business videos all by yourself. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can enjoy many tips and tricks on how to create super successful videos all by yourself. Stay tuned. Videos are fun, both to watch and to make. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on ad agencies or expensive video production companies or even equipment. You can create by yourself a very powerful video for your business, your product, your service, and get more prospects to see and engage with it, which all translates to a bigger return on your investment. So what can you find on my channel? Here, I'm going to teach you step by step how to create specific videos for different outlets. I will explore and compare different kinds of videos and what are the best platforms to put them on in order to generate you real income. I will also teach and train you how to create a very successful video, from creating a winning concept to writing a script to then filming, how to frame it and what equipment you can use, either more expensive or use whatever it is that you have, how to edit sound, how to use soundtrack, how to use a host, how to cast the talent, and everything in between, all the way up to what are the best platforms for you to put the video on and start making money. Another cool thing is that I'm not just sitting in an office giving you an online video tutorial. I'm actually taking you with me on set to different clients, showing you how to approach each different industry, how to make it very unique specifically for the client we're working with. After that, when the video is done, I will link it to the training video so you can see the whole process and the end result. In the past couple of decades, I worked on major television shows like Hell's Kitchen and Dog the Bounty Hunter. I worked on major films, on major television commercials and online campaigns for companies like Revlon and Amazon. But throughout this time, I always insisted to help small businesses grow. Over the past few years, we worked with hundreds of clients, creating hundreds and hundreds of videos, which you can see examples of on this channel. It goes all the way back to, I think, 2006 or 2007. At the moment, I own two very successful video production companies. One of them is for higher-end clients. They can pay more so we can rent out better locations. We can have a big crew, lighting trucks, a whole team of hair and makeup stylists, very expensive talent, models or hosts for whatever it is that we need. The second video production company is called Vision Movies. You can click here and learn more about what it is that we do. But in general, it helps small and medium-sized businesses start and grow their businesses. The videos we created were for different target audiences: men, women, elderly, children. We work in different languages: Spanish, French, even Chinese, Japanese. On this channel, you can find hundreds of examples of real videos we created for our clients. If you browse around, you'll see that many of our clients have more than one video. That's because most of our clients are coming to us for only the first video. They have an idea that they need a video. They don't really know what it needs to say, who the target audience, where they want to post it, and what they want to get out of it. I actually analyze it first so I understand exactly what the business is, who the target audience, what we want to do with it, what we want to achieve with it. And by that, I'm putting a whole plan to create a successful campaign that actually generates a lot of money at the end of it. They see the success it creates for them, how it increases their visibility, how it engages their very targeted audiences, and how it actually generates the money. So they keep coming back for more and more. So we're creating many videos for the same client that can serve them in different ways and engage with their audiences on different platforms such as social media or website, an email, a giveaway, or whatever it is they want to do based on the plan we're creating for them. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe by clicking this button here so you can get tips and tricks on how to create all by yourself a super fantastic video for your business, your product, or your service. Also, feel free to browse around all the hundreds of videos that we have here and leave comments. I would love to hear what you have to say. I hope the information you'll get on this channel will be more than valuable to you and you can turn your business around and generate a lot of money. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye bye.